Are you a car enthusiast looking to stay up to date on the latest trends in the automotive industry? Look no further than Car Stuff, your one-stop channel for everything cars. From the best models on the market to the most innovative automobile technology, we've got you covered. Want to know the difference between a V6 and a V8 engine? Or the benefits of a manual transmission versus an automatic? We break it down for you in easy-to-understand terms, so you can make informed decisions when it comes to your next vehicle purchase. And speaking of purchases, we'll also keep you informed on car prices in Kenya and around the world. Whether you're in the market for a budget-friendly sedan or a luxury sports car, we'll help you find the best deal for your budget. But it's not just about the mechanics of a car. We also cover the fun stuff, like car accessories, audio systems, wheels, and rims. Want to upgrade your ride with a killer sound system or flashy rims? We'll show you the best options on the market. So if you're a car lover who wants to stay in the know, tune in to Car Stuff and rev up your knowledge about all things automotive.